Hello everybody. Here we are going to explain some of the key features of the unbreakable multi-directional LED based replaceable lighting system, which is unique on its own. This is the prototype of that particular LED bulb which we have developed. This product is patented. It is covered under Indian Patents Act as well as Latvian Patents Act.
As you know, the most commonly used domestic illuminations are incandescent lamps, fluorescent tubes and CFLs. But all these products have certain disadvantages. Incandescent lamps consume huge energy in order to produce sufficient illumination. On the other hand, the fluorescent tube and CFLs have certain health hazards because they contain toxic mercury and phosphor. The disposal of mercury and phosphor is an environmental issue. They can contaminate air, soil and even groundwater, thus putting public health at high risk. Another major disadvantages that fluorescent lamps and incandescent lamps suffer is that they are not resistant to vibrations and shock. Usually lamps break when subjected to hostile conditions. LEDs are thus a fitting reply to all those inconveniences faced by conventional lighting systems. LEDs consumes very less energy. There is no such health hazards as it doesn't contain any mercury or any other harmful elements. Thus, LEDs may lead to safer environment without consuming much energy. LEDs have huge lifetime, nearly 80,000 burning hours, compared to CFL, which has a maximum lifespan of merely 6,000 burning hours, and incandescent lamps with a lifespan of only 1,500 burning hours. In our effort, we have addressed some of the basic problems of present LED based lighting. One of the main disadvantages of present LED lighting is that it gives unidirectional illumination, that means light in one direction. Hence, it fails to cover a wide area ranging from 180 degree to 360 degree, as in case of conventional lighting system. In this particular LED bulb, we have solved that problem. The unidirectional nature of LED based lighting has been modified to a homogeneous multidirectional illumination, and that too without involving large number of LEDs. The robustness of our LED based lighting system are much higher than the present available ones. This LED bulb can be used for both indoor and outdoor lighting purposes. The unique polymer envelope allows the light to spread, thus forming a multidirectional and homogeneous lighting system. This particular LED bulb can be used in automobiles and railways, where vibration and shock is a major reason for failure of other lighting systems. The polymer mold makes this particular lamp practically unbreakable. This LED bulb is unbreakable. Here I am dropping it from a considerable height. Still no damage is done to the lamp. This LED bulb is absolutely heatless. Less heat means less energy consumed. Hence it is an eco-friendly product. You can touch it as long as you can. Even I can rub my face over the lamp. This LED bulb is waterproof. Here you are seeing I am pouring water over the glowing bulb, but still there is no effect on the lamp. As you are seeing here, this LED bulb can be fitted in any commonly used lighting fixtures. Hence, it do not incur any additional expenses.
All this has been achieved by encapsulating the LEDs or the LED chips along with its circuitry into a seamless polymeric mold which is attached to the base of the system. By applying this technology, we can develop several LED based products which in the coming future will replace all conventional lighting systems like GLS bulbs, fluorescent tubes and CFLs.